looks like from the side, from the back. Makes the butt look good. But it looks like. Hey everybody, so I've been having so much trouble with finding like clothes for a haul, so I decided to go to Forever 21 and I want to see what they have here. They have great sales, so now that's where I'm going. Alright.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things will get brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things will get brighter. Someday we'll get it together and we'll get it all done. Someday.
Hey everybody, this is about to be my first like try on haul. I love watching these videos on YouTube, but I don't know, I never imagined myself doing my own. I went to Forever 21 because I was trying to find like boutiques like Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, and I don't know, it just wasn't working out. I'm not really gonna talk much about that. But I decided, why not just go to Forever 21 that's so close by. So $76.43. So yeah, that was with tax and everything. I got 8 things. Yes. So I got 7 like maxi dresses or like bodycon dresses, and then like 1 little cute crop top. And yeah, so that's what I got. So basically I'll just show y'all what I got. I'll tell you how much it was, and we'll just have some fun trying on clothes. Yes, this is a huge deal for me because just like some body things. If you've seen my fitness diary video, the first one, you know I have some body things I'm working on, but this is like really me trying to step out of my comfort zone and really just try for myself. You know, if they don't fit well, then okay. If they fit great, cool, you know, whatever the case may be, but you gotta try. So yes, so the first thing I want to show is this crop top that I got. Alright, so this is this crop top, and it fits me really perfectly. It's not like too high, like all the way up here, and it's not like low where it's like, is it really a crop top? It's a real crop top, and this is what it looks like at all sides. And it has like this little ruffle effect going on, which I think is cute. Pretty, I don't know, like pretty vintage, I guess. I think I could wear this just like anywhere, like on a normal day. It's summertime, so it's just going with the summer theme. It's pink. I love pink. And it has this little white, you know, outline at the top. Amour means love. I speak some French a little bit because I did 4 years in high school. So I was like, I like that. That's really cute. You know, very simple. Yeah. So the Amour crop top, $8.90. So I've never tried any of these clothes on. I just threw them all in the bag and paid for it, so I don't know what to expect. But yeah, this is like a Bardot bodycon dress. Alright, so this is this Bardot, so like the top, or is it Bardot? I think it's Bardot. But yeah, so this is a small, and I got it for $5 because it was on sale, like on the clearance rack. Yeah, it was $5. Originally it was $12.90. But yeah, so it's like this bright, it looks orange on camera. It's more like, let me try it. It's more like a crimson. It's not really like an orange. In person it's more red than orange, but it's not red. So yeah, but yeah, so this is what it looks like from the side. But yeah, I like it. This is very like bodycon. It's not like, it's not, this is bodycon for real. This is not for a regular casual day. I mean, if you're like that, cool, but I'm not like that. Like, this is going somewhere. I really like the sleeves because like they're really long. So if you have long arms, I think there's enough room for the average arm length, I guess. But if you like to do like this kind of fun look, like the whole mitten kind of look, like, oh, I think that's cute too. So you can do that, or you can like fold it up, do whatever you want. But I like it, and it's not like too short because I have a big butt. Like, it runs in the family, so like when I walk, I don't want it to be like rising up, but it stretches so that that won't happen, and it like stays in place. So it's a good quality material. The material is a good quality, and it won't just start rising up as you walk. So yeah, but yeah, $5. I was like, okay, it's a steal. It's a steal. So okay, so this is the second dress, and it comes like to my knees. This is like, the thing about these dresses so far is that they're very fitted, like they hug everything, but they're opaque, so it's like they're not see-through. You can see like indentions or like little marks, like this. This is just from the bra that I'm wearing, but if you were like something seamless, then it will be a lot better. But yeah, so yeah, I really like this though. One thing I really like about this one is the color, because it's like, it's nude, but it's not like you ain't got nothing on nude. It's like, wow, that's very complimentary nude. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is like, this is so huge for me because like I was ashamed of my body for a long time, especially my butt. As you probably see, like, it's pretty out there. And for a long time I would just hide it, really not embrace it that much. I don't know, I always felt like it just wasn't nice, like beautiful. I felt like it was too big. I felt like it was looking like it dragged, like it was like hanging down for me, because I used to be smaller when I was younger. I had some issues for a long time with like body image and just accepting who I am and how I'm made, because there's some parts of me I can never change just because of how my biology is set up. I'll always be like small up here and big down here. I'll always, you know, have like a shorter torso and longer legs. Some things you can't change. So I always have long arms. But what you can change is your attitude and how you perceive yourself. So that's just something I'm working on. So for me to wear something like this and be like, okay, I can wear that, it's just so huge for me because it's been a long road. Anyway, I really like this one. I had a feeling I would, even like when I got it, because at first I almost didn't get it because I was like, what is that? But when I touched it, I was like, oh yeah, because it's so freaking soft. It's so soft. It's really nice. So yeah, it has this whole like one shoulder, cold shoulder, asymmetrical thing going on, and then on each side there's like these cinches. You can't adjust them though. It's not like a string or anything, because some dresses can do that. But yeah, I like the cinches because it just really like elevates the whole dress, and I think that's really cute. And it's not like the other ones. They were like really like Bodycon, whereas this one is more like loose. It's much more maxi than like Bodycon, as in like it just kind of flows along your frame. So yeah, this is like, it's really cute. You can wear this, or you can wear this to like on a date. Yeah, you wear this on a date, or and not like to it. I mean, you could. I don't know. It has this like different kind of things you can do. You can do like you can switch it up basically. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So, you know, and the color, I really like the color. The back is kind of it's kind of, I don't know what's happening there. Okay, that looks better. But yeah, this is the back. Makes the butt look good. But yeah, so this is cute. I feel like if I walk again, it's not gonna rise all the way up. I hate when stuff does that. When you're born and you're like you naturally have a big butt like your whole life, you know the big butt struggles, okay? So if you're trying to grow your butt, doing exercise or whatever, just keep in mind there's some pros and some cons sometimes, because in the fashion world, not everything is dedicated towards big booty girls. But this dress is, and I really like it. Yes. This is cute. Bam. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I said it was $9. It was on sale. Yes. Oh, I have small arms and small shoulders. Like, there's a lot less fat here, so a lot of things fall off me. Next dress. Okay, so this is the orange one. It's more like a, it looks hot orange in the camera. Like, it's not neon at all. It's like, it looks neon, but it's regular orange. It's just because the light is on me. When the light is off, or just regular daylight, it doesn't look like this. How much was this? It was the same price. Yeah, $9.90. So yes, I really like this one. I wasn't too sure. I thought it would just be like, okay, it's just a dress, but I actually really kind of love it. And it doesn't fit as like as the other one did. I don't know why. It's the same material. Maybe someone tried this one before I got it. That could be. So yeah, somebody probably tried it on and stretched it out a little bit, you know, warmed it up. But yeah, I really like this. It's not a square neck, it's more like a gradual, but it makes it look like I have cleavage. I really don't, but it makes it look like I do. I like that. And the straps are thick. They're like two and a half fingers wide, which is really nice. I think it is more durable that way. So yeah, this is the side. One thing with these, because they're like almost like t-shirt material, but thick t-shirt material, and this bodycon, anything you have on under is gonna kind of show through, but you get what you pay for. Not saying that it's not good quality, but I just want to point out this, like the tag. You can see the tag, so I would say like cut it off. Don't rip it, because you don't know what's gonna happen if you rip it. But anyway, yeah, this is cute, very summery. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I like this. I didn't look at the last one, but this is really, my back is popping. Ooh, okay. But yeah, it's really cool. I like it. So, oh yeah, and this knee length too. It can actually go down more, but I kind of like it when they're pulled up a little bit so that the natural like form of it can go. Anyway, y'all watch Zoe. I love him. Okay, so this is the camisole dress. I like it. It's not as, I thought it would be shorter when I put it on because my butt tends to pull things up, but it stretched well enough that it stayed in place, which is cool. I think this is more like a relaxed dress, like if you're not going too far. Like I don't know, like I don't think I would last a whole day in this, because I do think like maybe it will like rise, not like all the way up like some dresses do, but I think it would like maybe like come to here, That's what I think. I haven't really tested that. Actually, I can do a little circle. Boom. Oh, I was wrong. So it doesn't rise. It actually stays like right in place. Like it doesn't even shift. It just, the only thing that moves are my booty cheeks. But yeah, this is okay. That's popping. You feel me? Woo woo. I think this is cute. You know, just like something like to go with it. A little, you know, army jacket or denim, any kind of solid denim. I think that would look really cute. Yeah. 313. Hey. It's really cute. Simple, nude-esque. Same little situation here. Makes it like I have the cleavage when I don't. Spaghetti strap. These spaghetti straps are pretty reinforced though, so I wouldn't fear like one of them breaking. But yeah, side view. In the back. Let me see. Little baseball thing from Route 21. I don't know. I just threw something on it. I don't know. But yeah, so this is this one. It was $9 too. And the last one, yeah, this is why I wanted them to all be like this, because they're so seamless. Like everything is just so nice. But another time, I like what I got too. But yeah, this is just, what can you say? It has like it pushes in, so it kind of like pushes your boobs up. So I think like if you want to wear braless, like go braless, because a lot of things you can go braless, like if you don't mind, like if you have pasties or stuff like that, or if you want to tape, you can do that, because I tried it out off camera and it does work. But this one I think is another one because the material is pretty thick and like really pushes you in. So yeah, I really like that because I got like this little fake cleavage again. But yeah, these straps, they're so nice and thick, and they come up like at an angle. Oh my goodness. And this is the side. I'm on my tippy toes so you can see it comes to my knees. And then the back. And then the other side. It just looks so good on my skin. Wow, I like this a lot. But yeah, I like this one. It's a small too. I really like these. It's so nice. So, if you want me to do another try on haul from another company or whatever, let me know. That will be fun. I really do like it. I don't have an outro. I watch so many YouTubers with like outros. I'm like, I don't have one. Anyway, I'll just say bye. Thanks again. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And have a good day. Go to Forever 21. They sell men's clothes. They sell women's. They sell plus size. I really wanted to choose a store that sold plus size as well. That was a big factor in this because it just was. But anyway, bye.
Try